Good morning, children. Saira. Children, welcome back to you all in your online classes. Children, I hope you all are fine, safe, and healthy at your home. Children, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. Children, today we are going to discuss about the chapter number 3, Microsoft PowerPoint. Chapter number 3, Microsoft PowerPoint. Children, Microsoft PowerPoint. It is a component of MS Office suite which is used to create simple and appealing presentation. Children, PowerPoint gives us the ability to make effective presentation by adding text and diagram, scanned images, clip art, sound, color, designs, and animated special effects. Children, a presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner to entertain, motivate, convey, persuade, or give information. Children, a slide is like a page in a presentation that display a brief information. Okay. Now children, the features of PowerPoint are: the PowerPoint is a powerful communication tool which is used to present our views and ideas effectively through visual aids. Next is it helps in providing a better understanding of the subjects. Next is MS PowerPoint saves a file with an extension .pptx. Now the next feature is it is widely used in business and educational world. Presentation can be projected on a big screen by attaching the computer to the multimedia projector. We can generate handout material and speaker notes after creating a presentation. Okay. Now children, I will tell you how to open MS PowerPoint. Now children, first of all click on the start button. Then from the start button go to the all programs. Next go to the Microsoft Office, and lastly you have to click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Okay. Now children, you can see the application window of MS PowerPoint 2010. This is the window of 2010 PowerPoint. Now children, how to select a blank presentation. Children, to select a blank presentation, it is used to create slide with your imagination using design element and color. How to create? Go to the Office button, then click on New, and lastly click on Blank Presentation. Clear? Children, you can see the window of blank presentation. It is blank presentation window. Next is built-in templates. Children, MS PowerPoint 2007 templates include simple slideshow that contains various themes and layouts. Templates give you an foundation to build a presentation. Children, you can modify a template's text and design, add pictures, sound, company's logo, or can also delete existing content from the template. Now children, how to create a presentation using built-in template. Children, through the built-in template, to make a presentation, click on the start button, then go to the all program, then Microsoft Office, and lastly you have to click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. After that, when the PowerPoint 2007 screen will appear, then go to the Office button and take the new presentation. Okay, now select install template option under the templates section. Clear? Children, this is the window of PowerPoint 2007 built-in template. This is the picture of built-in template. Now children, using design template. Templates are the set of pre-designed formats that include text, layouts, background, color, scheme, etc., which can be applied to any presentation. Means design template are the set of pre-designed format. Children, this is the design template. This is the picture of design template, which is pre-defined format. Now children, come to the viewing a presentation. Means we can view our presentation in different format, either in normal view or slide shutter view, slideshow view, or notes page. By default, we always work in normal view. Clear? Now children, first of all, we will study about the normal view. Children, in normal view, it is the main editing view which is used to write and design the presentation. In normal view, we can add text, graphic, sound, animation and other effects. Children, this is the picture of normal view. You can see the normal view picture. Next is slide shutter view. Children, in slide shutter view, it is a miniature view of all the slide in a presentation. In slide shutter view, we can easily change the order of slides. Children, it is a main feature that we can change the order of slides, copy and delete the slides and transition and animation effects, and set the timings for the slideshow. Next is, children, this is the slide shutter view. This is a picture of slide shutter view. These are the slides which you have made. Many slides are there, and you can give the slide shutter view. After that, slideshow view. Children, this view displays one slide at a time on the screen. One slide at a time. It shows all the slides of the presentation starting either from the first slide or the current slide. How to show the slide? Go to the view option and slideshow, or press F5 key for the slideshow. Next is notes page view. Children, in notes page view, It is available on the View tab. It displays the note page for the selected slide, where we can create additional notes for the current slide. These notes are helpful while showing the presentation. Clear? Now children, this is all about the PowerPoint presentation. Now I am giving you some homework. Children, I hope you all are studying and doing your homework properly. Children, I am giving you a homework that do the practice of making an attractive presentation on the topic positive attitude. Now children, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.